Here's a clear comparison of two software platforms. An AI voice continues from here. When you break down FXPrismus pricing, the structure is clearly built around multiple account types, designed to match different trading styles. Rather than forcing everyone into one cost model, FXPrismus offers Classic, Pro, Zero, and Synthetics accounts, each with a different balance between spreads, commissions, leverage, and minimum deposits. The Classic account is positioned as the entry-level option, using wider spreads starting around the mid-pip range with zero commission and a very low minimum deposit that makes it accessible to beginners who want simple pricing without per-trade fees. Leverage on this account can scale very high depending on equity levels, which lowers the capital barrier but increases risk exposure. The Pro account tightens spreads significantly, often around sub-pip levels, but introduces a fixed commission per lot depending on platform choice. This pricing structure targets experienced traders who want more predictable execution costs and tighter bid-ask pricing for intraday or swing trading. The Zero account pushes spreads down to zero on major instruments, but offsets that with a per-lot commission, making it more suitable for scalpers or high-frequency traders who prioritize spread compression over simplicity. FXPrismus also offers a synthetics account with ultra-tight spreads and extremely high effective leverage, designed specifically for traders looking to trade proprietary synthetic instruments rather than traditional forex pairs. Across all account types, FXPrismus uses MT4 and MT5 as its core platforms, keeping pricing execution familiar and widely supported. Minimum deposits vary significantly depending on account selection, which gives flexibility but also requires traders to choose carefully based on their actual strategy rather than marketing labels. Leverage scales dynamically based on equity tiers, meaning risk exposure increases as account balances change, which can be powerful but dangerous without disciplined risk management. Feature-wise, FXPrismus positions itself as a multi-asset broker, offering forex, indices, metals, energies, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. The platform environment focuses on stability rather than heavy customization, relying on MetaTrader's ecosystem for indicators, automation, and strategy development. On the Pro side, FXPrismus offers flexible account structures, high leverage availability, multiple pricing models to suit different trading styles, and compatibility with industry-standard platforms. Traders who understand spread versus commission trade-offs can fine-tune their costs based on how frequently they trade and which instruments they focus on. On the con side, pricing complexity can be confusing for newer traders, especially when comparing spread-only versus zero-spread accounts with commissions. High leverage options amplify both gains and losses, making the platform less forgiving for undisciplined risk management. Some traders may also find the platform experience more functional than modern, as FXPrismus relies heavily on MetaTrader rather than proprietary trading environments. Overall, FXPrismus rewards traders who already understand cost structures and execution mechanics rather than those looking for simplified, guided trading experiences. CMTrading takes a dramatically different approach to pricing by centering its account structure around investment-based tiers rather than purely technical trading conditions. Entry begins with a basic account that requires a modest initial investment, offering zero commission trading with standard spreads and built-in educational resources. As traders move up through Trader, Gold, Premium, and VIP Club accounts, the required investment increases significantly, but so does the level of service, benefits, and personalized support. Higher tier accounts unlock reduced spreads, cashback rebates, ECN-style access, dedicated market analysts, and personalized training sessions. Instead of focusing solely on execution metrics, CMTrading emphasizes value-added services, including one-on-one coaching, live market reviews, and concierge-style support. This positions pricing less as a cost model and more as a bundled trading experience, where traders are paying for guidance, access, and service depth. Feature-wise, CMTrading leans heavily into education, mentorship, and trader development. The platform integrates MetaTrader functionality while supplementing it with daily market reviews, trading signals, educational ebooks, and live analyst insights. Higher tiers receive direct access to analysts and personalized strategy discussions, which is uncommon among execution-focused brokers. This makes CMTrading particularly attractive to traders who want hands-on support rather than independent, self-directed trading. Trading conditions include commission-free execution, negative balance protection, and structured risk frameworks designed to prevent rapid account drawdowns. Rather than pushing extreme leverage or ultra-tight spreads, CMTrading focuses on long-term trader retention and learning progression. The environment feels curated, especially for traders who prefer guidance over autonomy. On the positive side, CMTrading excels in customer support, educational depth, and personalized service. Many users highlight the patience and professionalism of staff, especially for newer traders who feel overwhelmed in execution-only environments. On the negative side, the investment thresholds for higher-tier accounts are substantial, which can be a barrier for cost-conscious traders. Experienced traders may feel constrained by the service-heavy approach, preferring tighter raw pricing and fewer human interactions. The platform may feel less flexible for scalpers or algorithmic traders who prioritize speed and minimal intervention. Looking at user sentiment, Trustpilot feedback provides important context. FXPrismus holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.9 out of 5, with reviewers frequently praising professionalism, strong customer service, and reliable execution, while some note average spreads and regional promotion limitations. CMTrading holds a Trustpilot rating of 4 out of 5, with many users highlighting helpful staff, educational support, and a welcoming environment, alongside occasional concerns about high investment requirements and proof of performance expectations. Final takeaway, FXPrismus is best suited for traders who want a structured, disciplined trading environment with strong execution standards and professional support without heavy upselling. CMTrading is ideal for traders who value education, mentorship, and personalized guidance, and who are willing to trade higher capital commitments for deeper service access. Neither platform is universally better. The right choice depends on whether you prioritize execution-first independence or service-driven development. If this comparison helped clarify which broker actually fits how you trade, hit like, subscribe for more honest, no-fluff broker breakdowns, and click the link below to explore the platform that aligns with your strategy, risk tolerance, and trading goals.